Hey, you over there, are you still having issues running ads on Facebook and Instagram? It's time to get connected with Gwrite. So let's help you fix that issue. Whatever it may be, don't worry. We have all it takes to help you come out of those struggles and those downtime in your business. We are so flexible that you don't really need to send us your login details. We could join you over a video call where you're going to share your screen and we're going to give you the professional guidelines. It will just be as we are fixing the ad accounts ourselves. So you have nothing to worry. We respect your privacy. And don't forget, you totally have nothing to lose. If our solution doesn't work, we're going to give you a full refund of your money. Plus, you have a free course that will teach you how to run Facebook and Instagram ads on your mobile device. So much more for just a little fee in getting back to advertising on Meta. So whether you have a disabled ad account, you're trying to clear a payment, or you need a prepaid ad account, or you want to set up a business manager, a business portfolio, or whatever the problem may be, just send us a message and I'll be glad to help you out. It's time for you to join the leagues of over 1,000 advertisers globally that we've supported with our reliable solutions. So click on the link and get in touch with us right now. See you guys.